Imagine our DNA as a shoelace. Just as a shoelace has tips to prevent it from fraying, our DNA has protective structures at its ends. At the end of each lace, there's a protective plastic tip that prevents it from fraying. These tips are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the shoelace. These tips are like telomeres. Telomeres are specialized structures found at the ends of our chromosomes, the thread-like structures that carry our genetic information. Chromosomes are essential for storing and transmitting genetic information from one generation to the next. Telomeres play a vital role in protecting these chromosomes. Just like those plastic tips, telomeres protect our chromosomes from damage and degradation. Without telomeres, our chromosomes would become damaged, leading to loss of genetic information. They are essential for maintaining the integrity of our DNA and ensuring that our cells function properly. Proper cell function is crucial for overall health and well-being. Telomeres are made up of repetitive sequences of DNA. These sequences do not code for any proteins but serve a protective function. These sequences act as a buffer zone, preventing the important genetic information within the chromosome from being lost during cell division. This buffering action is crucial for the preservation of our genetic code. With each cell division, a small portion of the telomere is naturally shortened. This gradual shortening is a normal part of cellular aging. This shortening is a normal part of the aging process. As we age, our telomeres become progressively shorter, which can impact cellular function. However, when telomeres become too short, they can no longer effectively protect the chromosomes. This critical shortening can lead to significant problems. This can lead to cellular dysfunction, cell death, and an increased risk of age-related diseases. Understanding telomeres and their function is essential for comprehending the aging process and the development of age-related conditions. Think of telomeres as the ticking clock of our cells. These tiny structures located at the ends of our chromosomes play a crucial role in protecting our genetic data. They prevent the loss of important DNA sequences during cell division. Every time a cell divides, the telomeres get a little bit shorter. This shortening process is a natural part of cellular replication, but it also means that our cells have a limited number of divisions before the telomeres become too short to function properly. This process is akin to the hands of a clock steadily moving forward, marking the passage of time. Just as a clock counts down the minutes and hours, telomeres count down the number of times a cell can divide. As we age, our telomeres naturally shorten, and our cells become less efficient at repairing damage and replicating themselves. This decline in cellular function is a significant factor in the aging process. This gradual shortening of telomeres is a key factor in cellular aging. Over time, the cumulative effect of telomere shortening can lead to a decrease in tissue function and an increase in the likelihood of age-related diseases. When telomeres become critically short, cells can no longer divide and replicate properly. This loss of cellular division capability is a hallmark of aging and can contribute to the decline in organ function. They enter a state called senescence, where they stop functioning optimally and may even release harmful molecules that damage surrounding cells. This state of senescence is not just a passive process, it actively contributes to the aging of tissues. This accumulation of senescent cells contributes to the overall aging process and increases the risk of age-related diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and arthritis. Understanding telomeres and their role in cellular aging is crucial for developing potential therapies to combat age-related decline. While telomere shortening is a natural part of aging, there are factors that can accelerate this process. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, naturally shorten as we age. However, certain lifestyle and environmental factors can hasten this shortening, leading to premature aging and increased susceptibility to age-related diseases. One of the most significant and well-documented factors is chronic stress. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but when it becomes chronic, it can have profound effects on our health. The constant pressure and demands of modern life can lead to a state of perpetual stress, which has far-reaching consequences. Chronic stress, whether psychological or physical, takes a toll on our bodies at a cellular level, including our telomeres. The relentless strain can cause cellular damage, leading to a cascade of negative effects that impact our overall well-being. When we experience stress, our bodies release a surge of hormones, including cortisol, often dubbed the stress hormone. This hormone is crucial for our fight or flight response, helping us to react quickly in dangerous situations. Cortisol is essential for our survival in short-term stressful situations, but prolonged exposure to high levels of cortisol can have detrimental effects on our health, including our telomeres. Over time, elevated cortisol levels can lead to a host of health issues such as hypertension, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. Chronic stress can also lead to increased inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can cause more harm than good. Inflammation is a natural immune response, but when it becomes chronic, it can damage cells and tissues, including the DNA within our cells. This persistent state of inflammation can accelerate the aging process and contribute to the development of various diseases. This chronic inflammation contributes to accelerated telomere shortening and premature aging. By understanding the impact of stress and inflammation on our telomeres, we can take steps to mitigate these effects and promote healthier aging. The link between stress and telomere length highlights the intricate connection between our minds and bodies. Our mental health plays a significant role in our physical health, and vice versa. Chronic stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental health conditions have all been linked to shorter telomeres. Studies have shown that individuals with chronic stress, such as caregivers for chronically ill family members or those who have experienced traumatic events, tend to have shorter telomeres than those with lower stress levels. Similarly, people with depression and anxiety disorders have been found to have shorter telomeres compared to healthy individuals. These findings underscore the importance of addressing mental health concerns and managing stress effectively to protect our telomeres and promote healthy aging. Section 5. The stress hormone assault, cortisol and telomere shortening. Cortisol, the primary stress hormone, plays a complex role in telomere regulation. In the short term, cortisol can actually stimulate the enzyme telomerase, which helps to lengthen telomeres. However, chronic exposure to high levels of cortisol has the opposite effect, leading to telomere shortening. Chronic stress keeps cortisol levels elevated for prolonged periods, which can disrupt the balance of telomere maintenance. It can interfere with the activity of telomerase, the enzyme responsible for adding DNA back to telomeres. This disruption can lead to a net loss of telomere length over time, accelerating cellular aging. Therefore, managing stress and reducing chronic cortisol exposure is crucial for protecting telomeres and promoting longevity. Section 6. Fighting back. Lifestyle interventions for telomere protection. The good news is that we can take proactive steps to protect our telomeres and slow down the aging process. Lifestyle modifications such as regular exercise, a healthy diet, stress management techniques, and social support have all been shown to have a positive impact on telomere length. By adopting these healthy habits, we can counteract the negative effects of stress on our telomeres and promote overall well-being. Section 7. The power of movement, exercise, and telomere health. Regular physical activity is not just beneficial for our cardiovascular health and weight management. It also appears to have a protective effect on our telomeres. Studies have shown that people who engage in regular exercise tend to have longer telomeres than those who are sedentary. Exercise helps to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost the immune system, all of which can contribute to telomere protection. It also increases blood flow and oxygen delivery to cells, which may enhance telomere maintenance mechanisms. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with muscle strengthening activities at least twice a week. Section 8. Nourishing your telomeres, the importance of a healthy diet. The food we eat provides the building blocks for our cells, including our telomeres. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats provides the nutrients our cells need to function optimally and maintain telomere length. Antioxidants found abundantly in fruits and vegetables help to protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to telomere shortening. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts have also been linked to longer telomeres. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can damage telomeres. Section 9. Seeking support, professional help, and stress management. If you're struggling with chronic stress, anxiety, or depression, it's essential to seek professional help. A therapist can teach you stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or cognitive behavioral therapy to help you cope with stress and improve your mental health. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. By managing stress effectively, you can protect your telomeres and promote healthy aging from the inside out.